Welcome back, Internet people. This is Motorcycle Vision. My name is Steve, and when last we spoke, we had just put brand new LED lights onto the Shadow. So here's the premiere of what they look like. To be honest with you, I'm seeing them in the dark for the first time with you. So they've given me this controller, which lets me control the light patterns. So let's take a look at this thing together, shall we? So we can do, I guess that's white, purple, greenish, yellow-ish. Okay. We seem to have a strobing effect. Let's see if we can control this a little bit. Okay, I think I finally got a handle on it. So we seem to be able to do this pulsating effect that's letting it change colors. I also have the ability to select a permanent color if I want to, if I don't want to do strobing effects. Let's see what else we do. On my handy dandy keychain, if I hit B, I guess B turn. I really don't know what it's doing. Oh, here it is. It seems to be able to increase the speed of the strobing. That's kind of cool. What's C do? Well, we figured out what D is. D is off. Okay, here we go. So we seem to be able to do a whole lot of colors on this. You can also see here, they've mounted them in front of the rear wheel, underneath the kickstand. Seems to be some lights in the front wheels too. Let's just take a walk around and look at it together. It's kind of cool. I know people... Oh, I didn't notice. It's actually in the front wheel. Under the gas tank. A little bit underneath the chrome. Very cool. Let me get back down to eye level. I'm filming this through my helmet. I can't tell you how how uncomfortable this is. So I think if I hit my A button, I'm able to change the color of the lights instantaneously. So they certainly gave me enough colors to go by. I guess I can change colors with my mood. Very cool. My Lexin brand lights. Oh, I've got some kind of strobing effects. Even more strobing effects. Okay, that one's going to give me a seizure. I'm going down the highway. They say, oh, it's a safety device because it'll make you noticed. I don't think I need to be noticed that much. Let's just see if we can stop that a little bit. I kind of like it better as a solid color. Even this pulsating thing is kind of cool. I did notice, I can't show you because I'd have to stop filming to show you, but if I step on the brake, everything turns bright, dark red. And that happens even when the lights are off. So that's the results. That's what we did. Alright, come back for the next video. We'll talk to you next time. Stay safe. Like this. If you have questions about installing it, if you have questions about what I bought, how much I paid for it, model number, give me, send me a message. Give me a like, subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.